Don't push the button. ということ。Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. No, okay? Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. One little push. Now I'm yellow. Yellow. Push it again. Push. You pushed. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Twice. Once, twice. Twice. Mia, push. Push it twice. Push it twice. Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Push. So many of them. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra lollies. Shake the book. Shake the book. Shake the book. Almost a little more. Shake. How does it go? Oh no, Mia, don't step on it. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch Larry's tummy. Scratch. Tummy. Only tummy. Tummy. Oh, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. Not pushing. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Push. There's only one rule in Larry's book. Don't push the button. You pushed the button. So many of Larry's. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.